is not any medication. Only one anti-allergic tablet, that too on severe situations. If not, he's not on any other medications. He was on 8, 9 different medications before 6 months. He was on like I had to give him 4 rounds of nebulization every day. From that, he's now changed because every day I don't know what shifted in him. Only change I made with him was not his diet, nothing. I we started doing affirmations every day, affirmations and gratitude, and that shifted it. And the second thing is he used my husband's family. Everybody loves to eat junk. Even my son used to eat junk. NLP, using NLP and everything I learned from Platinum membership, I taught my son to imagine if those are crawling with worms. And one day, my husband, he drinks around like 10 to 15 liters of soft drinks every month. It's a full blown out fight between me and my husband for the past 7 years of our marriage. And my son just turned it off in 7 second sentence. He told, Daddy, that is bad for your health. Imagine if the bottle is crawling with worms. Imagine all sorts of insects flying it out. Will you still drink it? And my husband just stared at me and literally threw it in the dustbin and he walked away. And the third win is my son. We had doing affirmations for the past 6 months, and 3 days back, he told me, Mom, why are you saying I am strong? I am healthy. Why are you saying all this? I want everyone around me to be strong, healthy, kind. I want everyone to be happy. And we tell about 23 to 25 statements of affirmations and gratitude every night. For every 20, for till the last statement, he kept saying, we, not I. I was saying, I am strong, I am healthy. He was repeating it as, we are strong, we are healthy. And since the last 3 days, he's been doing that only. Even if I say, I am strong, I am healthy, he says, no, we are strong, we are healthy. As a mother, hearing this from a 5-year-old child, I literally have goosebumps now.
Yes.
And there's a lot more. He takes care of his younger sister. Literally, like I am on a call. I do connect with after becoming a leader, I connect with mothers, and few mothers tend to take up call for a very long time. They want to share their things. And
Right.
that time when my husband is not at home, he makes sure his sister doesn't fall down.
Wow.
He makes sure she's only 1.3. He makes sure she doesn't put anything in her mouth. If she does, he gently takes it out, not pull it out. He gently takes it. Even I don't have the patience to gently take it out from her mouth like that. He
Wow.
does.
I just want to say thank you very much. I was joined this community 6 months back, and I have literally seen the changes in my energy. I used to be very insecure. I used to be very overthinking kind of person, and I literally have seen such a shift in my energy. Now I even if it comes to my mind, I consciously try to change. No, it's okay. Not everything will be fine. Even if I'm with people who are saying some negative things or something, even I try to tell them it's okay, don't go like this. Well, everything will be all right. So
Amazing.
so the kind of shift in my energy I can experience in this 6 months, it's amazing and it's really, really priceless. I mean, I have good support in my family from my husband when I took the course and everything, and I'm blessed. But I couldn't see it at that time. But now I'm able to see that, okay, there are a lot of husbands where people are not telling them, they are not allowing, they are not doing. And I have such a blessed person in my life who has supported me, who told, okay, do whatever you want to do. And I have an amazing family, and now I am seeing the positive sides. So I
Yes.
think that's a very big win for me. And I have started to think positively, and Even I think in our last QA session, you told someone was doing told some queries, and that was that she was also saying that she's stuck in a job where she's doing a lot of work, but she's not getting paid extra and things like that. And you can't believe after that lesson, because I'm also in that kind of job where I'm literally working like 12, 14, 16 hours a day, but I'm not being paid for all those extra hours. And I have literally made my CV. I have literally, when you suggested that you should say, yes, Peter, 1 minute, please. Okay, try this one, try this one. So I literally, I have created my CV, I've updated my CV, I've shared with my friends, I've shared with some of my colleagues who have changed, and I'm so much feeling good now that at least I'm trying to get out of this job and I'm trying to get what I deserve. So
Yeah.
now I'm feeling that I really, really deserve a lot than what I am doing or what I am in every aspect of life, in terms of finance, in terms of my child and my connection is literally related. I used to be very guilty because I normally leave him daycare after school. So I used to be like, okay, I'm working and that's why he's going to daycare. Had I been staying at home, maybe I would have given more time to him. But with all those courses, now I start my day with your course. I have found time for a walk after my kids sleep. I go for half an hour walk. I listen to your course at that time. Then I do gratitude, affirmations. If any pending work I do. So I'm finding time. So that time management is also kind of it's coming automatically to me. I don't know how that I'm the same person, same time I'm doing this extra work. I mean,
Amazing.
somehow I was not able to cope up with all those things, and I'm able to give time to my kid, and I'm really not feeling guilty for sending him, because I know that I love him and I
Yes.
am doing whatever is best for
I was
him.
talking to, while connecting with them, because as being a leader, so one of the mother told me like you have a same energy like Riddhi ma'am, and I'm getting so many like goosebumps, after hearing you and getting a lot of energy from you only. I don't know रिद्धि मैम की क्लासेस में आके कितना कुछ मिल जाएगा अगर तुम मतलब यू गाइज आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम हर एंड गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड आप लोगों से ही मेरे को बात करके इतना अच्छा लग रहा है सो दैट वाज लाइक अ बिग थिंग फॉर मी टू हियर अबाउट कि आप जैसी एनर्जी आ रही है which I always wanted to have it. And the second thing is like this leadership thing. जब से मैंने ज्वाइन किया ना I couldn't believe that I can do so much while having so much of stress at my workplace because कुछ दिन से मेरी medication start हो गई है because मतलब of stress मेरा यहाँ पे एक नस फूलने लग गया है तो I am also coping up with things and trying to do my leadership at my best and I am able to do it. I am able to send my report on time. So that is like one thing I feel it's a biggest win for me. And the last thing is like finally one thing जिससे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान और मतलब मेरे mind में रहता था I couldn't make peace of with that particular thing is like my mother-in-law talking behind my back though she is very good like on my face so मेरे को उससे मतलब पहले फर्क पड़ता था whenever I used to hear anything then now I finally made a peace because I heard a lot of things yesterday about myself from her mouth but I was standing in like another room but कल मुझे कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा and I was so happy about it so that is one thing yeah that's it thank you